but we're done early, and now
That's
we
amazing.
get to go hang out with GL Veneer.
Okay, Dylan hit her there, man.
All right.
Wow.
We're out of here. Hey everyone, it's Dylan from the Black Forest Wood Company, and this week we're going to show you our recent trip we took to GL Veneer. Now this video happened to be filmed on the same day as our video that we posted last week of our delivery in the Pacific Palisades. So to give an update on that, we have been in contact with our client. Again, he's okay. He did unfortunately lose his home, and we also got news that some of our other clients have lost their home too. So we are absolutely heartbroken by this, and our hearts go out to everyone affected. But we do have some good news to share with you that GL Veneer has come out of this completely unscathed. Everyone there is healthy and safe, and their business has not been touched by the fires. So we're very fortunate for that fact, and we hope you guys enjoy watching our trip down there. Okay, install's over. We had to stop at GL Veneer, so we're gonna go say hi to Daniel, check out some of his wood that we've got on hold to purchase, and he'll probably talk us into buying more wood that we don't need. And we brought Garrett. Some of you may know his red shirt guy.
Yeah.
He's here for his first time at GL Veneer, so we've all seen this a few times.
Oh yeah, yeah. This will be
is gonna
something.
Be losing his mind.
Yeah.
First time.
1913 this building was built.
Wow.
I was gonna say it was like timber framing still.
Yeah.
Well, he's got a whole idea for this.
Does he?
Maple broke. Cookie.
Flipped upside down.
Oh, that's your table base. That's pretty nice.
This is 6 by 8, so with maybe a 4 or 5 inch overhang of glass.
Yeah.
I mean the top piece.
You could pour resin to here, and
Yes.
then your wood still comes through on the surface. You can put this in a mold, pour it the height you want the bare box to be. Here's your easement. That looks exotic. Holy smokes, he's got some of the nice surfboards in there. Look at the maple.
You see that one? Oh, that's redwood.
Okay, well, should we continue the tour?
Yeah. How does it just keep going?
It's like
Lacewood veneer? I've never seen that. That's great. Lacewood veneer.
Okay. Yeah. Rare set of veneer like that. Wow. Huh. So we're just here in GL's other building right now, and we're looking at some of their pommele sapele that they recently got. So we've already got one of these slabs sold. It's for a customer down in Mexico. He's gonna do this giant outdoor waterfall dining table. And we're using one of the biggest slabs in this lift here in front of me, and then we had to just purchase one other really nice slab from the lift because why not? So we'll show those on the screen right now so you guys can see what's coming soon. And how you can tell that a log is gonna be nice on the inside before you've milled into it is by looking at the edge. So seeing all these ripples and bumps, that's a sign of the pommele figure that's in this log.
Right?
Pardon me. What? These outside cuts are pretty good.
yeah, no, the outside cuts are killer.
Yeah.
Incredible pieces of wood.
Oh yeah, no, they are.
Right? For
They're
boardroom tables, sapele tables, pommelate or not.
So what's the
Jeez.
story on this? How do you come across something like this?
These are merchants in Portugal.
Yeah.
They're big in African material.
Yeah.
They're slicing over in Europe, so we get veneer and we get solids.
I'll come around the back here.
Oh,
Okay.
This is where the tour goes. It's kind of like, you know,
Okay.
Pirates of the Caribbean. The pirate comes out.
Oh, look at the end grain on that.
Nice. Yeah, some nice. I get antsy with loading the kiln. And looking at the dates that we saw this stuff, because like I kind of, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna put that in. And I'm like, oh, it was only a year ago. And you know, it's like this, like.
Here's our big 3-inch.
That's a monster slab.
yeah.
Wow.
This is all Claro?
Yes. This is. Oh my god, this tree.
New kiln is
That
long
kind
built
of a
type.
log with that invest. That's the most expensive log we've ever bought.
Really?
Because it was my fault. No, nothing's dry in here. Father, 25
Yeah.
feet.
Yeah.
It looks a little bit
At
twisty
eight,
and gnarly.
8 foot at the butt, a 40-year-old tree.
That's it.
Oh,
Big,
wow.
wide growth.
You guys, these are end cuts off of stumps. I have pictures of these. They're like 8 to 10 feet.
10 by 13.
Are these on the website?
Cookies? No, they're not dry.
Right.
But like, they're very sound and nice. Like,
Yeah.
Look at it.
Yeah, they're gonna be
Those have some really good grain in them.
They're epic. They're like of epic proportion. Wow. You know, this
Yeah.
could be an interesting one for you guys. This pommele eucalyptus.
It looks a little gnarly though, right?
Oh, it's eucalyptus. It's
looks like it's
every bit of
supposed to be-
gnarly.
Pretty checky.
Yeah.
That might just be.
That's why we cut them so thick.
So what's the result of that on the face then? What's the figure on the face like because of that? Is it?
I'll show you pictures. Yeah.
Okay, it's pommele, is it? Ah, for a eucalyptus.
I think eucalyptus. I'm not an expert by any means, but I think also it has something. It's similar to the white oak. Like depends on where it grows, the climate it grows in. Like the stability of the wood depends on the environment it grew up in.
Yeah.
So like the California stuff that grows big, wild, fast.
Yeah.
Like the grain just like it just
It's gonna
explodes
move
out of the
all over.
ground.
Yeah.
As opposed to like a colder climate that's like inch, those fractions
Yeah.
of an inch every year, and like it's you cut that stuff and it's relaxed and you have the linear grain. Eucalyptus lumber is nice. I mean,
Yeah.
there's the Portuguese are like the go-to eucalyptus guys.
Yeah.
They know what they're doing.
Yeah.
I don't know where they're getting it, but their lumber doesn't look like that.
No.
Yeah. I was wondering what Dylan was doing. I was
Yeah.
like, you're right here.
He's talking
He's
to
talking to
himself.
himself. We have a lot of brown ebony. I got hypnotized.
That's redwood burl on
Redwood,
top.
yeah.
Dude, those almost just want to ship those to you guys, and they have so much potential for something. Like I don't know. Yeah, we could talk about it later.
That must have been a big burl they came
Those
out.
two. Well, that's one burl. It's a two halves. And then these two pieces here are like I don't know what to do with these.
Well, I mean, this
They're
guy's
so massive. We've
We're
definitely
not
lifted
whipping them
more.
up to the pour table or anything.
We could
like
do a
that.
we could carry probably one of those on our forklift.
Yeah, I think you could.
Well, you ever seen something like that,
Yeah.
Garrett?
No, no. We go ahead and pick up my jaw off the floor.
You got some drool.
Yeah.
So here's the 40,000 pound forklift.
Yep.
What's that 40,000 pounds here? Is this a real SS 454? Oh, man. Oh my God. So this is what? This has got to be
71.
71. So that was kind of the first years they started, the fuel thing came down and all the performance guys had to drop their horsepowers.
It was, yeah, like, I think it was 70.
Wow.
Look at that backside. Like that's almost guitar quality Claro.
Don't show my dad that. It's been a while.
You need that.
I gotta get it.
I think we do.
We do need that.
You need some guitar material? Look at that.
Is that walnut?
Yeah, it's Claro.
On that.
So I think we should buy those 3 planks.
I think we should.
Those are all sister boards.
Oh my God.
Good. It's got crinkles in it. It's no good, right?
Right.
Yeah, all those lines.
We'll sand them for you.
Okay, you'll take them out? Good.
This is where wood goes to die.
Yeah.
I took this down like 10 minutes from here.
Really?
Yes.
What is this?
In Linwood, it's ash.
Oh.
Shamal ash.
Super rotten.
Right. You can see all the way through it,
So,
through the other side.
what do you do with this? Is this, is
It's
this
trash.
just gonna rot
It's trash.
forever?
Yeah. Yeah.
So do you have a place that comes and gets rid of this shit, or do you guys just...
I don't know if I can do it.
Yeah.
Like maybe cut it up for someone at some point so we keep it. It's
Yeah,
like
'cause there
maybe-
is wood in
Maybe
there.
someone can, yes, there is.
But yeah.
Towards the top of it, yeah.
Oh yeah, fast stone?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
Stone.
Yeah, I remember like when we first started buying from you, Daniel, we'd go on your website, you'd have like 100 bath stone slabs, pick what we want, and
Yeah,
now...
when they're gone, they're gone.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Because they don't plant those trees anymore, right?
Right. I mean, and these are, like, this is a smaller log. But they grow really squatty. Like, they're
Yeah.
usually not typically long and straight.
And it's an English Claro cross, right?
Yeah. Hybrid tree.
Hybrid.
Usually, we're pulling a lot of slabs and trying to show Dylan and Brad and Haley everything we have. Like, just to,
Oh.
He'll
yeah.
spread out like 100 in the lumber yard, and it's, you want this one, you want the bird's eye? Yes. These wings something figured to me. Daniel! Well, they know the guys who are able to refinish it.
Well, then they need to get someone, we need to see if there's someone in LA that can put the plastic.
So, as you can see, GL Veneer, for whatever reason, is covering our table up with cardboard. But if you guys want to go see what it actually looks like, go check out our previous video where we show you the process of building and delivering that table. And as always, thank you guys for sticking around to watch these videos, and we'll catch you in the next one.